Are you trying to decide between TradingView and Investing.com? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular platforms to help you choose the right one for your trading needs. Both TradingView and Investing.com are powerful tools for traders and investors. They provide charts, market data, and news to help you make informed decisions. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with TradingView. It's known for its advanced charting tools. You can customize your charts with different indicators, drawing tools, and time frames. It also has a strong social community. You can share ideas and learn from other traders. This makes it great for both beginners and experienced traders. Now, let's look at investing.com. This platform offers a wide range of financial information. You can find news, analysis, and economic calendars. It's very user friendly and covers many markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. It's a solid choice for those who want comprehensive market coverage. Now, what are the main differences? TradingView focuses more on charting and technical analysis. It's ideal for those who love to analyze data visually. Investing.com, on the other hand, is better for those who want a broad view of the markets with lots of news and updates. When it comes to features, TradingView shines with its charting capabilities and community features. Investing.com excels in providing news and economic data. As for pricing, TradingView has a free version, but its premium features require a subscription. Investing.com is mostly free but has some premium content as well. So, which one should you choose? If you're into deep analysis and charting, go for TradingView. If you prefer a broader view with lots of news, investing.com is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.